Government says it is committed to providing a qualified workforce for different industries to make sure there is safety for the public. Ministry of Information and Media Director spokesperson Henry Kapata said the recent cholera outbreak is an indication that we need such cadres to help enforce health standards, thereby reducing disease occurrence of cholera as well as other communicable diseases. This afternoon, he took a tour of the Lusaka Environmental Health University and appreciated the efforts of the private sector in supporting government's agenda of providing good public health.
We have all these correlates, we have all these. And if we are not proactive by having professionals, those that are trained to handle this, then we will have a repetition of all this. Because when we are proactive, then we have people that are trained. We should be able to sensitize, to inculcate knowledge. I've always told the people that if we had health inspectors that were much more serious, they would have influenced the local authorities, suggesting that we do not need dumping sites, but we need recycling centers more than dumping sites. A lot of industries are coming up. We have seen all these accidents, all these issues happening there, and safe measures that are not that are in these institutions. So to have a crop of these that are trained, I want to believe that we'll be heading towards the right direction as government with such partnership.
Mr. Kapata also called on area members of parliament across the country to utilize the Constituency Development Fund to develop more environmental experts across the country.
It's important for our members of parliament and those that are managing the CDF, the World Development Committees, is for them, of course, to identify such institutions. Because you have set standards as well. You are sponsoring some of these students and you'll have to survive. And so you require government partnership by bringing some of those youngsters to come and learn. Because what is important for government, first of all, is to have qualified health inspectors. I was very pleased when I heard Lombe talking about what was that she was talking about again? I think she mentioned about the CDF and the rest. You know, we have all these newly created districts under the local authorities, local government authority, and each and every district has public health inspector.
Kipiri explains that the institution has the capacity to help the country to prevent and control diseases as well as improve public health and safety, as it is a research-based institution.
The world right now is revolving around diseases. We have to prevent and stop the spread of diseases in the country, not only here, but maybe regionally and hopefully internationally. So we decided to form a specialized university that's only going to train in occupational health, in public health and environmental health. And this is at BSc level and beyond. And for us, we feel that we can make a great contribution to the nation by setting up this institution specialized in public, environmental and occupational health.
The students are grateful that government recognizes the importance of their field of study and pledge to serve the nation once trained.
As the team, this team that you are seeing, Director, is a powerful team, and we are ready to change the narrative because that's the reason why we are here. We want to change at least we change the story and we change the narrative of what is happening currently, and we are ready to do that. Once we are trained, and I know very well that this university is ready to provide the services that we require and the demand.
Sarah Miti reporting for Zanis in Lusaka.